I guess here 2 plus 3 is 5 times 2 power 2 minus 4 divided by 2. Here 5 times, here 2 power 2 is 4 minus 4 divided by 2. Here 5 times 4 is 20 minus 4 divided by 2. Here 20 minus 4 is 16 divided by 2. Here 16 divided by 2 is 8 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 8 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. This is the bracket higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule. Here as per this order of operations, we are going to solve this problem in correct order. As per this order of operation, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have a bracket in this problem. The next priority is exponent. So we have to do this exponent before this operation here. 2 plus 3 times 2 power 2 is 4 minus 4 divided by 2. The next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication and division before this addition and subtraction here. 2 plus here 3 times 4 is 12 minus 4 divided by 2. Here we have addition, subtraction and division. Here division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. Here 2 plus 12 minus here 4 divided by 2 is 2. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here addition and subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 2 plus 12 is 14 minus 2. Here 14 minus 2 is 12 is the correct answer.